안녕하세요, 나도메이커입니다. 오늘은 파이차트, QR코드 위젯과 텍스트 위젯에 대해서 알아볼 건데요. 스톤사의 HMI LCD에 대해 궁금하신 분들은 위에 카드 영상 한번 확인해주세요. 그러면 첫 번째, 파이차트, QR코드 위젯부터 소개하겠습니다.
Firstly, I would like to introduce you the pie slice widget. X offset and Y offset parameters affect the offset, displayed based on X-axis and Y-axis directions. Max parameter represents the maximum value of the widget and value represents the value currently displayed by the widget. Start angle represents the starting angle of the widget. Inner radius parameter affect the thickness of the loop. Once show text been selected, unit is available for set the unit character for the value. The counterclockwise parameter affect the displaying direction of the widget. Secondly, I would like to introduce you the QR widget. Which destined for generating a QR code according to the input content. You may enter the text content to be converted in text. FG color represents the foreground color of generated QR code. BG color represents the background color of generated QR code.
여기까지 파이차트, QR코드 위젯에 대한 내용이었습니다. 이제부터 텍스트 위젯에 대한 내용을 설명하겠습니다.
Text-related widgets. There are four main types of text-related widgets. Label, it is static text. Scroll label, horizontal scrolling text. Edit, single-line editor. Let-it, multi-line editor. Text-related widgets mainly focus on the display and editing of text. And for easy comparison, I will drag 3 for each of those 4 widgets to the window page for demonstration. The next, I will introduce their usage. First, the label widget. Label widget is used to display the most basic static text. In its properties, length refers to the length of characters that can be displayed. When this value is -1, all text will be displayed. Line wrap is whether the text content can wrap, and word wrap is whether to avoid word splitting. It should be noted that word wrap will only take effect after line wrap is checked. Now there is not much difference between the two, because the sentence doesn't have independent words, so let's add some spaces. It can be seen that after adding spaces, the system will recognize words based on the spaces and ensure that the words will not be split. If it is a group of pure numbers, word wrap has no actual effect regardless of whether spaces are added. You can see the demo. Remember to make sure the label is long and high enough to display all the text content. Word wrap has no actual effect regardless for group of pure numbers. Let's try the effect of adding numbers and characters together. The current version of the GUI software cannot show the difference, but when it is actually put on the screen, the system will normally identify words according to the space and ensure that the words are not split. Scroll label. Scroll label is the horizontal scrolling text. The first condition for scrolling is that the text content is greater than the length of the label. This is the display effect of scroll label. Scroll label is a single scroll by default. If you want to play it in a loop, you can check loop in the properties. Please refer to the property effect. It will always keep playing in a loop. Check yo-yo. To achieve the scrolling effect of back and forth, please refer to the effect. Duration refers to the time it takes to complete a single scroll, in milliseconds. "1500" means 1.5 seconds to complete a single forward or backward scroll. Lull represents the interval between back and forth scrolling, which can also be understood as the label's stay time after a single scroll. The effect of scroll label is no different for pure numbers or mixed numbers and characters. Please refer to the demonstration in the video.
오늘은 파이차트, QR코드 위젯과 텍스트 위젯에 대해 배워봤습니다. 다음 영상에서는 나머지 텍스트 위젯에 대한 내용과 선택자 위젯에 대해서 자세히 설명드리도록 하겠습니다. 영상이 유익하셨다면 좋아요와 구독 부탁드리며 사용 중 궁금한 점이나 피드백은 댓글로 남겨주세요. 그럼 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.